In this video we will be going through the procedure to calibrate the joystick by setting minimum and maximum valve outputs. This operation is called valve nulling or trimming. To perform the calibration, the hydraulics must be engaged and the engine RPM steady at 1,500 to 2,000 revolutions per minute. Ensure the vehicle is located in an open area that allows the safe operation of all plow, wing, and hoist actuators. With the controller powered on, turn the programming key switch clockwise 1/4 turn. An audible beep will sound and the green diagnostic light will illuminate. Push the joystick to a position that moves the plow or wing blade at the minimum desired speed and press the bottom side of the selector switch. Push the joystick to move the maximum desired speed and press the upper side of the switch. Repeat these steps for all axes of both joysticks. To set an emergency raise function, push the joystick to the desired speed and press the red button to accept the value. Repeat this procedure for all functions that are to be assigned to the emergency button. Note, emergency functions cannot be assigned to any function configured with a deadman enable button. Be careful to only set raise or lower as emergency, not both, or errors may occur. After programming is complete, the key switch needs to be turned back to operation mode or the settings will not be saved. Remove the key and store in a secure location. Thank you for watching.